Go with it. Oh my. Yo! Don't hit his purple mark. Oh my God, you're gonna flip us!
Speed record!
Speed record!
Yeah!
You ready?
We hit 20. Almost. Come
Go.
on. There's 20 right here, 20. Yeah, we didn't get it. No.
What, you heard that? What? Whoa! You're gonna flip the car, bruh. Hey, you gotta... Bruh.
No, we ain't gonna.
Alright, let me out of here. Alright, let me out.
Let me out of here!
Let me out of here!
What is that? Alright.
Oh my God. Oh my. Oh, you went the wrong way.
No, we can keep more speed.
Wait, don't break them. All right, you're gonna tear it up.
Tokyo Drift! Oh. No, you didn't get it, bro. We gotta re-go. Re-go that. Go again.
Wait, the tree! All right, bring me home. This was fun. Y'all gotta kill yourself.
Get on the platform.
Oh my, you're taking a detour. Dude, we gotta film this. Wait up, don't hit a tree, bro. I'm serious, don't hit a tree. Ah! Did you see that? What'd you hit? It hit me in the knee.
Alright, go home.
Like, follow, comment, share.
Catch you on the next one.
Peace.
Alright.